Hello everyone. In today's class, I'm going to explain about operators. What are operators? Operators are those symbols which help us to perform calculation or manipulation of data. Or I can say an operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific operation required for processing the data or the expression. For example, if we require to add two numbers, so that time we can use the symbol plus or addition to add the two values. When we talk about operators, operators are broadly classified into two. The first one is unary operator and the second one is binary operator. Unary operators are those operators which act on single operand or single variables or single value. Example, we have increment, decrement, not operator, size of operator, and etc. In the other hand, the second one, we have binary operators. These operators, they act in two operand or two values or two variables. Example like addition, subtraction, greater than, and conditional operator, assignment operator, and etc. For example, over here I have plus plus a. This plus plus is an increment operator. It acts only in one single variable a. And the next one we have a plus plus, that is post increment. Again back this operator, it acts only in one single operand, that is a. Example, we have decrement operator, then we have size of operator, we have plus a. This plus a over here, it show the positive value in a, minus a, that means the value that reside in a is negative. Whereas in binary operator, plus over here is the additional symbol. We can add the value of a and b, and minus over here is not to indicate that the value of b is minus, but we subtract the value of a by b. And then a part of this arithmetic operator, we also have the relational operator like greater than, less than symbol. If I need to compare the value between a and b, I'm using the relational operator greater than. So in this side we have the binary operator, and you will see we have two operand both the side, in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. But over here, these operator, they act only in one single operand along with it. Let's see about maths. Same thing in maths, we have so many operator. So how to evaluate this type of expression where we have multiple operators or multiple symbol? For example, over here I have 5 plus 6 divided by 3. To evaluate this expression in maths, we follow the formula that is BODMAS. First, we check whether our expression, it has bracket or not. If not, we move ahead. We check whether of is present in our expression or not. The next, we check division. When you check in our expression, we do have division, that is 6 divided by 3. So in this expression, first we calculate 6 divided by 3, and our result, we are getting 5 plus 2, that is the quotient after division. Then after division, we have multiplication, but we don't have a multiplication symbol in our expression. After multiplication, we have addition. In our expression, we have the additional symbol, that is 5 plus 2. Then the result that come out, that is 7. So in maths, it's very easy for us to calculate the expression if we have multiple operators, because we follow the formula BODMAS. In another hand, in C++ as well, we have multiple operators like addition, subtraction, greater than, and etc. So how we will know which one of these operators will get calculated first or will go for execution first? So for that we have precedence of operators. What is the meaning of precedence of operator? It is grouping or arranging the important operators first, or the greatest rank first, or the higher rank first, then come the lowest. So the precedence of operators in C++, first we have the unary operators. These operators, they fall in the highest rank. Next come the binary operators. These binary operators, they fall in the second rank. Why unary operators, they fall in the highest rank? Because unary operators, they act only in one single operand. Therefore the strength is much more strong compared with the addition symbol. Example, over here I have plus 5. Plus 5, this plus operator is much more stronger because it acts only in one single variable or one single value, 5. But over here this plus is additional operator. It need to ask for two operand, that is 5 and 6, and the strength of this operator, it become little bit weak compared with the plus 5. Why? Because the strength need to be divided for two operand instead of only one. So the precedence of operators in C or C++ are: first, in the highest rank, just like in maths, we have the bracket. Next one, we have the unary operators. In unary operators, in the highest rank, we have increment operator, decrement operator, not operator, and size of. And in the lowest rank, we have positive symbol and negative symbol. After the unary operators, next come the binary operators. In binary operators, we have so many operators: arithmetic, relational, logical operators. From those, in the topmost rank, in the first rank, we have arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. From these 5, at the highest rank, we have multiplication, division, and modulus. And in the lowest rank, we have addition and subtraction. Next, after the arithmetic operators come the relational operators. In the relational operators, in the highest rank, we have the less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and in the lowest rank we have equal symbol and not equal. After the relational operators, then we have the logical operators. In logical operators, the not operator, remember, it fall on the unary operator. So left we have an operator and or operator. From these two, the highest one, it is and the lowest one, it is or. After the logical operators, we have the conditional operators, and after the conditional operators, we have the assignment operators, and last but not the least, we have the comma operators. Now we can make our own table for the precedence of operators. The level, in the first rank, we have the parenthesis and the square bracket. In the second rank, we have unary operators. In the third rank, we have unary signed operator. In the fourth rank, we have multiplicative, that is multiplication, division, and modulus. In the fifth rank, we have addition, subtraction. In the sixth rank, we have the relational operators. In the seventh, we have relational equality operators. In the 8th and 9th, we have logical and or. In the 10th, we have conditional. In the 11th rank, we have assignment operators, and the last one we have comma operator. Now, let's see the example in the rank 4. In the rank 4, we have three operators, multiplication, division, and modulus at the same rank. So, from these three operators, which one will get evaluated first? And for that, we have the associativity of operators. What is associativity of operators? It is the property that determines how the operators in the same group get evaluated. For example, over here, I have the expression x is equal to 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 and mod 3. So from here, division, multiplication, and modulus. All these three operators, they fall in the same rank. Now, which one from here will get evaluated first? So, based on the associativity, that means the property to get evaluated first, those operators which belong in the same group is what? It starts to evaluate it from left to right. That means the expression from the left side will get evaluated first. So over here, first 4 divided by 2 will get evaluated first. And we have the output x is equal to 2. This 2 is the quotient after we get the answer from 4 divided by 2. Multiply by 2 mod of 3. Now from this expression, which one will get evaluated? Multiplication or modulus? Like I mentioned, the evaluation will go from the left to right. Therefore, the expression 2 multiply 2 will evaluate first. Therefore, we are getting 4. 4, it comes the product after we multiply 2 into 2. We have 4 divide modulus 3. 4 mod of 3. Now the answer we are getting is 1. Therefore, the associativity of the multiplicative operators, division, multiplication, and modulus is what? It is from left to right. Again, let's check back our operators. Whenever we have the bracket in our expression, remember the associativity will be from left to right. The unary operators, the associativity will be from right to left. Now, the multiplicative and the additive operators, the associativity will be from left to right. And the relational operators as well as logical operators, the associativity will be from left to right. But when we comes to conditional operators, the associativity will be from right to left, and the assignment operator will be from right to left, and comma operator will be from left to right. Okay, to understand more, let's see. We have one expression. How to evaluate this expression? 5 minus 3 multiply 2 plus 3. So from here, which expression will get evaluated first? Like I mentioned, compare with all the binary operators, unary operators will get evaluated first. That means plus 3. It will increase the value of 3 by 1. Therefore, our expression, it become 5 minus 3 into 2 plus 4. The value of 4 I'm getting after the value 3 get increased by 1. So from here, in this expression, 5 minus 3 into 2 plus 4. From here, the highest rank operator is multiply. Therefore, the expression that will get evaluated, it will be 3 into 2. I'm getting over here, after I multiply 3 into 2, the product will be 6. Therefore, the next expression is 5 minus 6 plus 4. And both these operators, they belong from the same rank. And from here, which one will get evaluated first? Like I mentioned, the associativity of additive operators is from left to right. Therefore, the value over here will come, the expression that will get evaluate first will be 5 minus 6, and the output we are getting is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4, and the result that we will be getting will be 3. Thank you.